What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, so your girl decided to take a mini break from doing deliveries, and now it is time for lunch. Let me show y'all what we eating today. So first up, y'all, we have the nacho foot long. I got steak for my meat. I have some black olives on there, and I got some lettuce. We could not go out without getting a chocolate chip cookie, so we also have us a chocolate chip cookie, y'all. And both of them are foot long editions. I'm about to let y'all see me dive in. They gave me a fork so I can eat these nachos. I was like, thank you. And they gave me a spoon for the cookies. So let's taste the cookie first because, ooh, and then she also warmed it up in the oven, baby. Yes, honeys, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, honeys, it is good. I'm just gonna eat all this. And let me open up this fork so y'all can see me devour my nachos, boo. And for my drink, I had fruit punch from Wawa's. So again, we got the chocolate chip cookie, and we got the steak edition for the nachos. They had chicken and steak, but I'm a steak type of girl, so we got steak. Chips are good. Y'all hear me crunching. I don't think she gave me much steak, but she definitely gave me a lot of nachos, lettuce, cheese, black olives. This is Subway's edition of a loaded taco. Peace.